Welcome, today in front of me HONOR 7X, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first, just hold for a while to the application and drag this app to the another application, and as can you see, we got here the new folder right now. And if you wanna add just one more app here, by the same way, just hold for a while and drag it here to the folder. Also, you can add the applications by the second way. Just tap here to the plus icon and just select the application, and as can you see, we got here the numbers of our app. We just add applications 8 or 9 or 10 from the 81 applications, and just here tap to OK, and as can you see, we got here all our previously added applications in our folder. If you wanna, you can also rename the folder. Just tap here on the name and type the apps, for example. Now just tap to OK, and as can you see, we just successfully renamed our folder. Also, we can move this folder here on the screen. Just hold for a while and move it to the section where you want to add. Also, we can just move this folder between the screens. If you want to just remove the application from the folder, just hold for a while and move it to the position where you want to just add the application. Or also, we got the second way. Just tap here to the apps folder, tap here to the plus icon, and again tap to this previously added app, and as can you see, our checkbox just scan, and for example, we'll stay with the 4.1, and now as can you see, we got the result here. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.